Alright, so let's get this problem finished. So we're multiplying both sides by our denominator to begin solving this problem. So I have 1 plus 999e to the negative 0.603t, and that's equal to 1,000. And again, that just comes from multiplying the denominator by both sides. Now my goal is to get the exponential part by itself, so I divide both sides by 295. And I have 1 plus 999e to the negative 0.603t is equal to 1,000 divided by 295, which is 3.389. 3.389. I saw another 8 there. So now, again, my goal is to get the exponential part by itself. I subtract 1 from both sides. So 999e to the negative 0.603t is equal to 2.3898. I divide both sides of my equation by 999, which leaves me with e to the negative 0.603t. Let's go back to my calculator. I'm dividing this answer here by 999 to give me 0.00339. 0.00339. And then to get rid of that e, I take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of e to the negative 0.603t is equal to the natural log of 0.00339. This cancels out because the log and the exponent have the same base. So I'm left with negative 0.603t is equal to the natural log of this number. So I'm taking the natural log of 0.00339, which is negative 5.686. Negative 5.686. And then I divide both sides by negative 0.603. I'm going to write my final answer up here at the top where all of this mess is no more. So this answer here divided by negative 0.603 gives me 9.43 days. So this one here, pretty heavy in like the work to actually get it by itself, but now you've seen it done. That's the main goal. So you can tackle one on your own.